morning! Today is July 26. Is it Friday? Friday na ata. Si Jan kinina ang aga niya. Mga 5:45 siya umalis. Hala, nagpapag na naman tayo. Si Kuya hindi sumama. Ayun, antok pa si Kuya doon. So kami magbe-breakfast kami. 8:30 na. Magbe-breakfast tayo. Finally, makakapag-breakfast tayo. Ito yung breakfast. Fried rice? Just one. No, it's not crispy now, Baba. So, yan si Holly. Kumuha rin ako ng fruits. And kuha tayo ng fried rice. Change table kami. Dito kayo sa outside. Yeah? You want rice? You want rice?
What is that?
Papaya. I think this was grape. With seed.
Why do you that one? I got apple juice. We already had a drink. Huh? We did.
Do you have fruits, Holly?
Yeah.
Watermelon? Yeah. Yeah.
You said you don't after that?
Holly.
How's the water?
Meron tayong fried rice, sausage, bacon. Wala tayong eggs kasi magla-line up ka kung gusto mo pa. Nagpakuha lang ako sa akin ng bacon. Magpaano. Sabi niya sa yung taste ng bacon, same pa rin nung bata pa siya. Yung first time namin dito. Right, Zach?
It's so sweet, but it's good.
This one?
Yeah, it's good though. It's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Do you like it though? It's too sweet. Grandma likes it. But that was bacon. Let me go some more bacon.
Yes, please. Go, yeah. Ayan si Kuya. Bumangon. You want something? Pancakes? Ginawa niya raw si Kuya. Ang tawag niya kay Kuya, Yani. Kasi nung umalis kami, ayaw niya raw mag-breakfast kasi antok pa siya. Buti na, nakabot pa siya. 9:09 na. Hanggang 10 lang yung breakfast dito. Kuha din tayo ng eggs at saka bacon. Naglinya din tayo. That's all yours na, Kuya. Para hindi siya mag-line up.
Do you have cake?
Yeah. This is our first breakfast, Kuya. Dito. Yeah, we missed it yesterday.
This isn't a breakfast.
Here in Bali. Kumuha ko ng fruits, tapos yogurt, and meron silang mga pastries doon. Ito lang yung kinuha ko.
Come on, beach.
Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Mag-ready lang sila kasi gusto nila pumunta doon sa beach. Punta na tayo sa beach and nagpapalit kaming beach towels. Ayan si Kuya. Dito na tayo sa beach front. Mag-hire ulit tayo ng boogie board kasi yung mga bata. There? Meron akong sunscreen. Kuya, your legs, yeah. Sunscreen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
No. Do you have that picture of me with my watermelon juice? That looks like the watermelon here, love. I'll put mine off.
Si Sak, after niya mag-pool, dumiretso siya dito sa dagat. Nag-catch ng mga waves. Tired, Sak? Tired na tired? Mag-boogie board na sila.
Start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right to play my part. My life.
Meron tayo ditong nuts and nag-order akong buko juice. Ay yung dalawa super enjoy dito sa boogie board. So yan yung ating coconut and peanuts with a view with Kuya and Zach.
Memorized in my heart.
Tamis.
I keep losing to a moment. When I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear you play
Sarap, ang tamis.
crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse. And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence. 'Cause I was right to play my part. My life memorized in my heart. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart. 'Cause
This is Kuya.
I was right to play my part.
That's all. I'm just waiting.
My lies
Yeah. You have to go this way so I can feel it
in
nice.
my heart.
Yeah, that's all me is. No, I don't think so. You have to. No, you stop there too. Yeah, that's it. You want some coconut? Coconut?
Take me, I've been missing lady luck ever since you started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. New phases we stuck to change who you.
Kumuha na pala sila ng ice cream. Cornetto?
Chocolate. And it has chocolate fudge in the ice cream.
Look at your face. Look at your nose. What Holly got? You like? It's alright?
It doesn't taste like bounty coconut.
Bounty coconut. Chocolate naman yun na. Ayan. Ubus ko na yung juice. Kunin natin yung laman niya. Ang sarap. Matamis. Yeah?
I'm gonna walk all the way down there and get a cool.
Oh, 5 o'clock I asked. They open 5 o'clock. I know. I asked already because I want the corn. They open 5 o'clock. Gusto nila yung corn yung kagabi. Tinanong ko kasi gusto ko rin yung corn pag ganitong oras. Pero sabi niya 5 o'clock daw sila nag-start. Ayan, ubos. Busog na ako. Sarap, ang tamis. So guys, ulit siya ng sunscreen and mag-order kami ng lunch. Si Kuya gusto niya yung clubhouse na in-order ko kahapon. How about you, Sak? I don't know yet. Si Holly nasa pool kasama si Kylie at si Sophie. Nagpatattoo pala si Max. Yung henna lang. Dito na yung food ni Maxi and... you didn't order, Ive? You're not hungry? Bride is, chicken burger. Ayun si Holly doon, oh. Andiyan yung si Jan. Andoon. Where? And si Sakando na naman, oh. Oh. Hi, Han. How did you go? Thank you. Yeah. Pizza. How much I owe you? Ayan na yung food. Pizza, sweet and sour chicken, clubhouse. Kay Holly yung pizza. Kay Sakto, kay Kuya. Diyan nandito, nakikiswimming siya. Nakikiswimming siya kasi init na siya after ng golf. Are you done, bro?
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay. You want pizza? I have pizza there. Chicken barbecue pizza for Holly.
Oh,
Yeah. Nice, huh?
yeah. Alright, get it. Oh, he was getting dirty.
Good? Ice cream na siya. Pangalawang ice cream niya today. Naubos ko yung pizza. Nakatatlo ata ako. And ngayon nag-order akong Magnum with almonds. Where Holly? No! Holly won't dare to go there. Kasi ang lakas na ng current.
I said, I'm gonna go and drop my washing now.
Did I go?
Ayan yung ice cream natin.
I've been waiting to see you.
Waiting one more. Number one order the order.
Thanks, Ed.
Come with the object.
Yeah. What?
Object. Get sit me
Ang
here.
tigas.
Then she get answer. Then I waiting number two. Then
Okay.
Yeah, you're right, babe.
you ready.
I can bite.
Too hard. Don't worry.
Thank you. See ya. Not yet.
When are you ready? Then
Yeah, I know. Thank you. Tiyatro ko magpapamassage.
Yeah, I'll be
Sabi
back.
ko, hindi pa. How's yours, Ive? Is it hard?
No, don't get a load.
Good. Oh, you just gotta wait till
Okay.
because he uses
It's so hard. Yung mga bata, nandun pa rin sila sa dagat. Hindi pa nila nakakain yung kanilang order.
Thank you.
Happy yan. Kasi tinita niya yung mga ulungan dito. Kalayo lang. Sabi ko yung sako niya.
Give this to Sam and he'll bring Harris.
Kuya is over here. Ang layo kasi ang ganda. Nag-spin si Sak sa wave.
Very cute. Like violinist.
Nandito si Kuya. Against the light. Di niyo makita si Kuya. Si Max at si Sak, nandun pa rin sila sa dagat. Sa andun, andun sila. And yung dalawa nag-detach na ng sunscreen. Can you eat your food now, please? That's our towel. Tingnan niyo si Sak. Oh, ang daming guto.
Quick. Hurry up, quick. Get in here.
Against the light, si Kuya nag-ice cream na Magnum, yeah? Almond. White Magnum. No, I'm good, Sak. Tapos na siya eh. Kinakain niya yung... That's carrots. That's veggies. Where are you, Sak?
I walk behind you. I don't see.
Zaki. Dessert na rin siya, oh. Cornetto. Let me try. Can I have a bite? Is it good? I didn't get the ice cream.
Breakfast was good, Dad. Yeah, breakfast.
Massage siya. Sa legs niya daw. Kaka-golf yan.
No, that's wrong.
You got a shorter one, Jack?
Sarap ng massage dito.
Dad, you watch. You did that because he even does it on the boogie board.
Bili tayong pineapple.
And you country have pineapple? And you can and home have pineapple?
Pineapple, yes. 1 hour massage pala to, guys. Ang bilis, ayan na.
Tumatang sa ganyan.
Hindi niya pa alam kung anong pera. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung perang 40,000.
You have change? 50? None. Nothing. So what they do, they put it.
Pero tapos ko lang mag-massage, andun si Holly, nagbubugi board, tsaka si daddy niya. Andun sila, oh. Punta natin sila. Diba? Basa na tayo. Go, Papa! Good job!
Did you see right there?
You gotta stand up.
Anyone want to join up? I think, okay, I'll do it. Nandun si Holly kasi, mag-release sila ng turtles.
There he comes, Mason. Look. They're way better in the water.
Doon na sila. Say bye-bye. Look, look. Yeah, there's more. Oh, no more. There's another 2. Bye. Oh, here it comes.
Put your feet.
Oh, nice.
Put your feet. Oh, there we go.
Oh, and this one over there. Punta na kayo sa aming hotel. Meron dyan na Friday dinner with DJ. Sa next Friday kami nakapagpabook. Not this Friday. Every Friday kasi yun ginagawa. Si Kuya mauna na siya sa room. Kami magsiswim lang kami saglit. First time ko mag-swim. If ever. Dito sa Bali.
Holy, this guy can do a backflip.
Dad! It's our day, Dad!
Oh my God.
See, it's our day!
You're unreal.
Mom, ready?
It's not.
Ay, nakaligo pala kaming lahat. Papunta na kami kung saan magdi-dinner. Doon namin meet yung ating mga friends. And si Holly, Jesus, mas mapula pa ang tuka niya sa akin. Dito kayo sa lobby ng Bali Garden. Hinintay lang namin yung friends namin. Kasi mag-walking pa sila from their hotel. Tapos yung dinner natin nandyan lang sa gilid nitong Bali Garden. Dito na sila. Si Joey may beer. Dito tayo mag-dinner. Warong Damar. Hi! We've been here last time, 6 years ago. So yan yung kay Holly, strawberry slushy. Mango shake yung akin. Yan na yung dinner ng kids. Chicken nuggets. Hindi siya chicken nuggets sa akin. Chicken with chips. Sisak. Buffalo wings. One, yeah. Thai beef. Salad. Ayan kay Kuya. Kanina pa kami tapos kumain. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nagkukwento lang kami. Nagiinuman na pala sila kasi last night, uwi na kasi sila Friday sa Sunday. So today's Friday. So sabi mag-inom daw. So ako pinap-order nila ako ng cocktail. Mag-ano na lang ako siguran. Classic mojito. Si John meron siyang Jim Beam. Mojito ha? Mojito. Classic mojito. What would you want then? 300 ml. And a water. And a water. Yung mga bata mag-dessert.
And just why? You and them fellas, it's not a spot. Not
Lime. There's no salt.
I don't know. You're fermenting that.
No, sometimes they have salt.
Yeah, you gotta put it.
There was not like I swear, I did it, but like that was 8 hours.
And
That was 8 hours, 60 fucking yeah.
You want me to get it?
I'm not
Brown.
But he's tomorrow.
Yung kay Kylie, strawberry daiquiri. Is that like a slushy cocktails? Oh, okay. Ayan yung dessert nila. Baba, do you have dessert? Zach, what do you have? Lava cake. How about you, Ya? No? Let me see the lava cake ba? Tapos na kami doon sa restaurant, ayun. And kung maalala nyo, si Jan nag-play ng drum. Dito yun. Dito siya nag-drum, guys, sa Bamboo Bar and Grill. Ngayon, papasok tayo dito sa Bamboo. Kung saan nagtugtog si Jan. Dito naman tayo. Finally, makakanood na sila ng puti. Ayan, Bamboo. May binigay sila sa amin na towel. And then, ito, parang slushy. And yung girls din, oh. Slushy. Thank you. You already get? No, I haven't. Go, cold towel. So meron tayong mango slushy. Mag-start na yung band. Tanda!
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulged in flash like it's free. We're on a fast ride where monkeys killing time with machines. Making love that we don't even feel. You don't even notice if it's her or it's me. But somewhere deep it's kinda like a mouse, so you just can't even know when all of a sudden you're free.
Thank you for your reading. Oh, you have a lot of interest here. Just give me a finger, living on a prayer, some of the prayer. Alright, okay, ladies and gentlemen,
I wish you would be like to appreciate our music. Yes, we don't have we have a ticket box here. And we appreciate your support for our music. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, enjoy your request here. And the next one is Here Comes the Sun.
I just need some more money. I'm gonna spend it, filling my house, my face, my body, and my tongue, 'cause I just wanna feel good. Somewhere in your chest, when your sweetheart hit a miss.
Dessert? Okay, we can order dessert.
Yeah, enjoy the song. Queen, yes.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the night, and I can feel the sun. I can feel the sun on my skin, but
Lonely outside, together we cry. Excuses were 2 for a penny. Drive on the street, but it's not compared. But they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the fire. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was disarray. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. There's no time to borrow today. Something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. you have one more song and before we take a break, so we do like that.
How is it, Joe?
And we have special request by the Beaches.
No way. I was drawn at that match. It was coming out my mouth. I couldn't swallow it.
Suck it in, Kylie. You gotta suck it in hard.
Yeah, thank you for your idea with BG. Hello?
Take a big breath. Take a big breath.
Suck it in, Kylie. Oh, put the straw down. Suck it in. Go, Willow. Oh, God, you did everything. Willow.
You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time through, trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We will regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You'll see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
Good luck, babe.
No.
Give
no
me your
phone.
phone. Why?
Come on, John.
No. Like this.
What's your name? John. Welcome to the States, John. Yes. I like the soul, yeah.
I would love to be able to do that.
No, no. I can't.
Oh, mate,
Yeah, give us a applause.
Don't wanna waste time.
Yeah.